Plumbers videos, unsafe boilers. My name's Alan Hart. In today's video, the first clip today is from a boiler that I've actually been out to today, which is a badly installed boiler. I'm going to go through some of that with you. Also for the trainees, just talk about some of the clearances, etc. Also, we've got quite a few clips from Elliot, and we've got some wise words as well from Elliot. That's at the back end of the video, so stay around for that. We've also got some plumbing videos that's been sent in, or some gas videos that's been sent in. One is where the water has been piped to the gas, and it's actually filled the water main, it filled the gas main, filled the gas meter with water, and just show you the hob that's got water in it instead of gas. And then there's a few more clips as well. Without further ado, let's go and have a look at this one that I've been out to. Please add a comment below in the description. First job is a Baxi Duotech or Baxi Platinum, same boiler. One of my favourite boilers of all time. To be honest, I think they're a really, really good boiler. But when we have a look at this install has not been done very well. So if we have a look underneath, first you just think it looks a little bit untidy. But then when you have a closer look, if we look at the PRV, it's actually got a hose pipe on it. It's also been piped on an S-plan because it's got underfloor heating on this, and there's no bypass on it. If we have a look on the floor here, and this isn't a major thing, but if we have a look on the floor, if we follow this pipe round here, we can see the filter's actually been located on the floor. And if we have a look underneath the boiler, if we look at the gas pipe, so the middle pipe on this is the gas pipe, and if we follow this gas pipe down, we can see, so we all know that wires need to be 25mm away from a gas pipe. Well, on this one, all the wires have been clipped to the gas pipe. And if we look outside, if we look at the flue, we can see that it's got white on show. And on the Baxi, there should be no white on show. It's also too close to the air vent. If we have a look at the condensate pipe, there's no lagging on the condensate pipe either. If we have a look in the meter cupboard, we can see that the governor is too close to the consumer unit. We can see the bonding is okay, so that's within 600mm before the first tee, so that's fine. But this pipe here is an old gas pipe. Old gas pipes need to be capped. So that's just some of the faults from today's job that I went to. Please put some comments below, let me know what I've missed. Add some comments, let me know. And this next job, shocking, and a lot of people ask me, and I've been asked a lot, is can I reuse the central heating pipe? So for the gas, can I use it for a gas pipe? And my answer is always no, because you don't know what's on that pipe. And this next video just shows you why, one of the reasons why you shouldn't use old water pipes or central heating pipes as a gas pipe. So let's have a look at this one.
Oh, gas. Yeah, buddy. Here we go. Oh, what's this? What's this? Oh. Yeah, a drain off on a gas line. What the?
This is a Baxi Tech, and the seal on it, it's gone like chewing gum. I don't know why. I've never seen one like this before. There's no below it for it to catch fire or all like that. Please add a comment below. Let me know what you think it could be.
We're just putting a new boiler in because the old boiler had it, and we're repiping some what's in the loft because a lot of it was on 10mm. And Adam's just found this beauty. So there's a lot of radiators here, like 2 radiators at a time running on 10mm, which as we know is not great. But look at that for a blockage. Just shows the importance of using the correct chemicals, flushing out the system properly, and keeping the system healthy. So yeah, there we go. A good little find by Adam. Awesome.
So this is the flue pipe in my loft. It's currently not in use. House was built in the early 70s. Looking back at this is a precast flue, so big thick. I think it might be asbestos flue pipe. So because it's got a 90-degree bend in it, this is if I remember right, it's NCS. So yeah, I hope you get this in a video, Alan, and you'll be happy.
I've had a couple of private messages come through from Alan's videos regarding about gas fire servicing. I'm not going to run through exactly what to do with the gas fire service because every gas fire is different. But this particular model here, stripped it down, it's come out and I've done all the checks I need to. But they tell you how to do the spillage tests. They'll tell you in the booklets how to do the service. I'm quite fortunate, my background is from a fireplace firm through my humble apprenticeship. So I'm pretty savvy on most of the stuff that's out there. But if you're not, we can't all know everything. Have a read up the night before if you know what appliance you're going to. If you don't, get the booklets when you're there. Download it on your iPad or on your phone or whatever you use. And if the customer's got them, even better. But when you're using it, it does tell you how to do the checks. We all know what we need to be doing. So, yeah, hopefully that helps. Just a quick video, and I've messaged Alan to hopefully we'll make a few more like this. And I have mentioned before that I'm not the type of guy that sits down every night and reads the gas regs and everything that upgrades. But at the same time, I do phone them up. If I've got a query, I do phone them up and ask them what's going on and what they think their opinion is. The guys and girls that work at the Gas Safe Register, they're ex-engineers, they're ex-fitters, they're ex-service guys. They're not there to try and trip you up. They are there as a resource, so use them. And whenever I phone up, I don't know why, but I always seem to get the Scottish lad. Can't remember his name. And he's brilliant, really, really helpful. He'll spend the time on the phone. He's not trying to get you off the phone. He really will give you the time of day. And it's fantastic. But go onto your account, have a look what's new. Have a look at technical bulletins. There's one about the electrical safety isolation here. You've got one, safety alert in May 2018, Whirlpool gas hob. Things like that. If you're doing landlord's gas safety checks and you're coming in and the landlord still owns a gas hob, or the tenant's got their own cooker or something like this, isn't it nice to know if something's not quite right? You've got your technical information, standards and subscriptions, some online learning and safety alerts, and so much more on the website. It really is a huge amount to read through. Vocera internal condense thing. Now, if you worked on Vocera, you'll know that they were I can't remember what metal, but a metal or aluminium tube coming off the condense pipe. Now, personally, I knew this because I work on loads of them, but if you don't, and it's not gone through, you're not going to know that it's recommended to get it replaced. There's loads and loads of helpful bits, is my point to this short video. And I realised this a little while ago, and I kept forgetting to make a short video for Alan. And I found that, and this is myself included, but with all the apps to register your installs now through Ideal, Worcester, Baxi, Glowworm, Valent, that you don't have to log on to the Gas Safe Register to register your installations, make your notifications under builder control. And as a result, I think a lot of people never end up using their account on the Gas Safe Register. And then you forget to see little technical bulletins or subscriptions and online learning. The subscription service, I think I've bought this quite a few times, but I've completely forgotten about it for a little while. So there you go. It's going to cost you, including the VAT, £118.80, and that's for a year. And I know that sounds like a lot of money, but it really isn't. Every time I do download this and I read through it, It is a massive wealth of knowledge. And I've said, and Alan said many, many times, you can't know everything. Well, unless you're amazing, but you can't, especially if you've got your commercial ticket as well. I personally don't. I'm just domestic and LPG, but you can't know it all. It really is hard to try and remember everything. So pick up the phone, speak to the guys at GasSafe, speak to your local GasSafe inspector. They're there to help you. They're not there to trip you up. They're not there to make your life a misery. They're not there to try and sue you. They'd much rather help you through getting things right than having to take that horrible step of finding faults with things you've done and take you to task on it. Use the website. It is good. It's not perfect, but it is good. It's a lot better than the one they used to have many years ago. And speak to people. Look for the information. It really is good. It's brilliant. I know I'm waffling on. I'm a massive waffler. But basically, use the GasSafe register. Use everything they offer you. And check up the latest technical bulletins and safety alerts and things like this. It really will be worth the extra time you give to it. Okay, that's enough. Happy Sunday, everyone. Take care. Bye-bye.
Thank you very much for that, Elliot, and thank you to everybody who sent videos in. If you can send some videos in, if you put them on, send them in landscape if possible. I will add my WhatsApp details below. Some shocking videos there and some really important information from Elliot. We are going to do some more on the safety side of things. We're going to try and promote safety as much as we can. Always use a GasSafe registered engineer if you're going to have any gas work done. Some of these jobs are DIY, obviously, and if we look at the gas pipe, the drain off on the gas pipe, that's one of the main reasons why you wouldn't use old pipe work, because you don't know what's on that old pipe work. But also as well, for instance, if you use an old central heating pipe, it's had muck and sludge in it, and then it dries out, and all that muck and rubbish is going to go into your gas valve, into your boiler. So it's not a good idea to reuse old pipes, old water pipes or old central heating pipes for the gas side of it. The chimney, what do you think to the asbestos cement flue that were in the loft? What would you class it as? I think I would class that as not to current standards, unless there were an issue. Obviously, it's been like that for 50 years. And if it's been like that for 50 years and it's all working safely, sometimes it's engineer judgment. But again, put a comment below. Let me know what you would class that as. The water in the hob, that was the previous video we did with Leeds Plumber, the really bad install in Leeds. That's that same job, and what had happened is they'd piped the water to the gas as well. They'd also snapped the test nipple off the meter as well. Shocking, really, really bad stuff, to be honest. Yeah, as I say, please put a comment below, like, share, subscribe, all that good stuff. And thanks for watching, and thanks to everybody who helps, supports. Yeah, thank you.